The Jonsbo Z20 is an impressive Micro-ATX mini tower PC case that offers a perfect blend of style, functionality, and performance. With its sleek and compact design, this case is an ideal choice for those seeking a powerful yet space-efficient build. The Z20 boasts a unique detachable carrying handle, making it incredibly portable and easy to transport. Its small footprint of just 20 liters allows for versatile placement, ensuring it fits seamlessly into any desktop setup. Crafted with precision, the Z20 features thick, 2mm integrated bent steel panels, providing exceptional durability and a solid feel. The top panel, in particular, is a standout, offering a large area of delicate square openings that not only enhance the overall aesthetics, but also contribute to efficient heat dissipation. This case truly combines form and function, delivering a visually appealing build with effective cooling capabilities. One of the standout features of the Z20 is its comprehensive magnetic dust filter, which provides full coverage, ensuring your components remain free from dust and debris. This helps maintain optimal performance and extends the lifespan of your PC. Additionally, the innovative removable PCIe fixing piece is a game changer, optimizing the installation experience, especially for longer GPUs, and making upgrades a breeze. In terms of cooling options, the Z20 supports a 240 AIO all-in-one liquid cooling system, accommodating a height of up to 160 millimeters for the CPU cooler. This allows for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring your system runs cool and quiet, even under heavy loads. The case also features ample space for air cooling, with support for up to two 120mm or 140mm fans on the top panel, further enhancing its cooling capabilities. The Z20 offers excellent compatibility, supporting Micro-ATX motherboards and providing 4 expansion slots for ample upgrade options. With one USB 3.0 port and one USB port in total, it offers convenient connectivity. Additionally, the case accommodates 3.5-inch hard disk drives, providing ample storage capacity for your files and applications. Overall, the Jonsbo Z20 is an exceptional choice for anyone seeking a high-performance, compact PC case. Its combination of style, durability, and efficient cooling makes it a top pick for both enthusiasts and professionals alike. With its innovative features and versatile design, the Z20 is sure to elevate your computing experience to new heights.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.